What's up guys, hope you are all doing good. In this video we will learn about the superlatives in the world. Let's first talk about the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa. It's a skyscraper in Dubai. Its height is 828 meters. It's 3 times taller as Eiffel Tower. It is the tallest freestanding structure in the world. This is all about Burj Khalifa. 21 June is the longest day in northern hemisphere. This day usually marks the summer solstice in north hemisphere and winter solstice in southern hemisphere, which means the northern hemisphere receives the longest day and the shortest night, and the southern hemisphere receives the shortest day and the longest night of the year. Longest desert in the world is Sahara desert. It's in African continent with an area of 92 lakh square kilometers. It is the largest hot desert in the world. It is the driest and hottest region of the world. Longest river in the world is Nile. It is the major north flowing river in northeast Africa. It flows into the Mediterranean Sea. Its length is 6,000 kilometers. The Nile basin covers an area of 3.4 million square kilometers. Longest bird in the world is ostrich. It lays the biggest egg in the world, and an adult ostrich have 8 hearts. The largest country in the world in terms of area is Russia. It covers 1 crore 71 lakh square kilometers. It shares its boundary with most of the European countries in the world. Largest mosque in the world is Jamia Masjid. It's located in Old Delhi, India. It's established in 1956 by Mughal Empire Shah Jahan. The largest mammal in the world is blue whale. It is a marine mammal. The average length is 29 meters and it weighs up to 190 tons. The largest city in the world in terms of population is Tokyo, Japan. Its population is 1.4 crores. The deepest and biggest ocean in the world is the Pacific Ocean. Among the 5 oceanic regions, Pacific Ocean is the deepest and the biggest ocean. It extends from Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. It's bounded by continents of Asia and Australia in west and America in the east. The brightest planet in the solar system is Venus. It can be seen often within few hours after sunset or sunrise as the brightest object in the sky. The smallest planet in solar system is Mercury. That's all in today's video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.